Yeah, hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, guys. Today is a sunny day. As you can see, everywhere is beautiful, is lovely, and is really warm, and I'm loving it. So guys, this thing you are seeing here, this parcel you are seeing here from Amazon, came here yesterday evening. I was just upstairs and I heard a knock on my door, and this was what they brought. Okay, I'll be unboxing and reviewing it for them. So I'll be dropping their link in the description box so that you guys can purchase from them as well. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, yeah, so I'm not going to tell you what's inside until we get in. Both of us will see what's inside together, although I know what they were sending, but I've not seen it, so we are seeing it together. So let's get started. Are you ready? Are you ready? So let's go. Okay, wow, are you seeing it? Wow. Hey, there's another one inside though. See, so I'm going to take this out. Wow, this one is nothing more. It's just the pack they brought it with. I'll be dropping this. So the main thing we are expecting to see is this. Are you saying this? So it's a vacuum cleaner, cordless vacuum cleaner. Okay, so let's open this and see what's in here, and we'll be reviewing it to see how it works. Okay, so let's get started. Yeah, so this one was the first thing inside. You know, this one is very important because this is what we are going to be opening and arranging it with. Okay, so yeah, the other thing we've got here is this. So let me just be putting it here so you'll be seeing it. We've got this also. We've got this, although I've never fixed such thing before. We'll be fixing it together right now. Okay, wow, it has charger. Is it chargeable? I don't know, but I believe it's chargeable before use. Like, I don't know, let me not just conclude yet. We are seeing this together right now. Okay, so this one is empty now because everything here has to be removed except for this. Okay, wow, this one is the machine, I guess. The wow, this is good. And please, as I said before, I'll be dropping their link in the description box. This one has to, I don't know, everything is in here. We'll do it together. Wow, this one is another one. So yeah, this is it. Everything is out. So we'll be fixing it one by one. As you can see, it's Moosoo cordless vacuum cleaner. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we'll be needing this so that we can be able to fix it up. Okay, so this one is in here, instruction manual. Okay, so we are going to check how we can fix this for easy use. So which one is number one? Said remove the battery. Yeah. So I don't really know much. Let me go and check this too, because here we have got their emails, their email, we've got their contact number and everything. Should the case you buy from them, you want to make a complaint or you want to make a review for them or anything, so you can contact them easily from this. Okay, so we are going to get down to business. I'm trying to see the first one first because I'm not good at this. When it comes to fixing things like this, I'm not good. This one is the first one, I guess. Okay, this one is the stand. Then we've got this. I'm just trying to picture what I'm seeing right here. Okay, so I don't know if I'm right or wrong. Don't know if I'm right or wrong. Yeah. So guys, I'll be trying my best to fix it up because it's really, I don't know. It has voltage of 22.2 voltage, power 15 watts. Yeah, keep away from water. Okay, power brush. Okay, so oh yeah, it's locked. Wow, this one is locked. Okay, so the next one is just trying to see. Let me see how this is fixed. So the next one is, let me see. It's locked. Okay, the next one is this. Are you seeing this? I'm trying my best to. So we still got a lot of things that has not been fixed. For example, we've got this, we've got this, we've got this, we've got the battery, and we've got the charger. We've got this too, is a brush. Okay, so now that I'll be able to stand it up like this, so let's see where the other material goes, because you know when there is, when like things, you know that things like this, when things are not complete, it won't work. So lungs, that was okay. Oh god, I have to try my best. This one is, wow, I'm trying to fix this up right now. Well, it's like I've gotten where the battery would be. Are you guys seeing this? Like the battery would be here. I don't know. Oh. Wow, I'm trying. I've gotten that too. So yeah, which other thing? Mm, the brush, which is this or the long one? This is the long brush. Why this one is the short one? Look at the way I carry this. I don't want it to fall down. So this one is long brush and this is short one. So what will I be doing with the brush now? I don't know yet. Hey, he's working on. God, he's working. What about the rest things? Where are they going? I will still try and make sure it's working well. Oh my God.
The breeze is all coming over to me.
Hey, the breeze is coming to you. You heard my son. My son said the breeze is coming to him. So guys, this is it. I'll be able to fix it and then let me see. And let me see how it works. It's wireless though. Are you saying it? Are you on the light for me? Wow. This is good. Guys, you don't need any other one apart from this because even it's very easy for the kids to sweep with. When you want to take it upstairs, sweeping the step and all that. You see? It's taking me around already. And it's very flexible. Okay? So, here it is. I hope you guys will purchase from these people because it's really nice. You see? So guys, on these notes, please, if you have watched to this place and you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Guys, hit the like button. On these notes, I'm going to end it right here. Please don't forget I said I will be dropping their link in the description box. Buy from them. They are brands from Amazon. Okay, buy from them. I'll be dropping the link. And thank you so much for watching to this place. See you guys in my next video. Till I come your way next time. Stay blessed, stay safe, and bye bye.